Welcome to our comprehensive review of the Bittrex wallet, a trusted platform for cryptocurrency storage and management. This wallet is an integral part of the Bittrex exchange, offering users a seamless experience to store, send, and receive their digital assets securely. In this video, we'll walk through all the features that make Bittrex wallet a reliable and efficient tool for crypto enthusiasts. The Bittrex wallet supports a wide array of cryptocurrencies, ensuring flexibility for users with diverse portfolios. Its clean interface makes navigation straightforward, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. The wallet is equipped with robust security measures, including two-factor authentication and wallet encryption, providing peace of mind to users. To start using the Bittrex wallet, simply create an account on the Bittrex exchange. Once registered, you'll have access to the wallet section, where you can deposit, withdraw, or check balances for your preferred cryptocurrencies. The platform offers detailed transaction histories, ensuring transparency and easy tracking of your activities. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. One of the standout features of the Bittrex wallet is its high level of security. Bittrex implements advanced protocols to safeguard user assets, including multi-stage wallet strategies that distribute funds securely across different storage types. The wallet also complies with regulatory standards, ensuring a safe and lawful environment for all transactions. Additionally, Bittrex offers responsive customer support, with a dedicated help center and ticketing system to address any user concerns promptly. The wallet integrates seamlessly with the exchange, enabling users to trade directly from their wallets without additional steps. For mobile users, Bittrex provides a well-optimized app, allowing you to manage your wallet and trades on the go. This mobility ensures you can access your funds and execute transactions anytime, anywhere. The app mirrors the desktop experience, offering consistent functionality across devices. Stay informed about the latest updates and enhancements to the wallet through Bittrex's official channels, which regularly share news, updates, and guides to help users maximize their experience. If you're looking for a secure and feature-rich cryptocurrency wallet, the Bittrex wallet is undoubtedly worth considering. Its user-friendly design, extensive cryptocurrency support, and robust security features make it an ideal choice for both novices and seasoned crypto users alike. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest crypto insights and reviews.